So in the third video, I would like to explain about adjective. So adjective itself means a word that describes or limits or modifies a noun or a pronoun. So adjective is describes or explain what kind of how many or like which one the pronouns or noun is. So basically, the functions of adjective, it's like to describe, limits or modifies nouns and pronouns, to answer questions, and can be demonstrative too, can be interrogative as well, can be indefinite, and can be a degree of a comparison. There are several characteristics of adjective. The first is, of course, a descriptive function. So, adjective is provide more informations about a noun or pronouns that appears in a sentence. And the second characteristic is adjective can appear before noun. So they modify a noun, but they can appear before noun, but they should be linked by a linking verb. And we will talk about linking verb right after these videos. And then adjective have a comparative and superlative forms. And then there's like four types of adjective. The first type is descriptive adjective, of course, for describes the noun and pronouns. And then there's quantitative adjective to define or indicate the quantity or a quality of the noun and pronouns. And the third is there's a demonstrative adjective for point out the specific nouns or the pronouns. And then the last is possessive adjective to show ownership. As I mentioned before, there is a demonstrative adjective as well. And if you remember in the previous videos, we talked about the demonstrative pronoun as well. So demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjective, it's both use this, that, these, and those. But there is a difference in the sentence formula. So demonstrative pronouns, it stand alone to replace a noun itself. So the noun is not mentioned after the demonstrative because the functions of the pronoun itself is to replace. Now, the demonstrative adjective is to describes, to modifies, not to replace. So the noun is say after the demonstrative. So it follow it by the noun. As an example, demonstrative pronoun, it's like this is yummy. So there is no noun in it, like this is yummy. There is no pronoun in it. Like this is funny. Those are mine. These are pretty. The the noun it's not mentioned, but in demonstrative adjective, the noun is mentioned. Like this toy is fun. So this it describes the toy. So it follow it by a noun. But demonstrative pronoun it's always follow it by a linking verb. So that's all that I can explain about adjective. See you on the next video.